I'm the captain now.
Welcome to Captain Investing. What's going on, investors? This is the Captain with the Captain Investing. Welcome to my channel. If it's your first time, please feel free to hit subscribe and like the video if you find it interesting. Today we have 3 stocks we're going to go over. These are 3 stocks that I've picked out after doing some DD and some digging that seem interesting plays for the week or have catalysts coming up. Okay, so the first one that we have today is going to be Nano Dimensions, as shown on the screen here. The 3 things about this stock that I feel are promising and is the fact that ARK Invest has recently picked up 472,000 shares of the company over the last couple weeks, showing that they believe in this company and they think obviously it's going to go up. They're currently at a 1-year high. If you check the chart right here, they are well above the levels that were highs for the year. I guess that could be a positive and a negative, but I see it more so as a positive, building towards something. If you look at the most recent volume day they had was actually over 100 million in volume, so that's a pretty big deal. The third thing is I want to show you, if you come down here, it says that they recently just closed a 16.9 million direct offering that they had. So that's always a big deal when a company raises their funds and closes the offering. One thing I do want to point out about this stock that I believe is negative, if we come down here and look at the earnings from the last 4 quarters, they have missed on the estimates 3 out of the 4 the last earnings. So that's always something to keep an eye on. Okay, next stock we're going to be looking at is going to be Diamond Peak Holding Corporation, which is a SPAC that's going to be merging with Lordstown Motor Company. Lordstown Motors is a EV truck manufacturer that is located in Lordstown, Ohio. 3 things that I like about this stock a lot. First one's going to be that they will be merging on the 22nd is when the vote is to merge. So sometime this week, most likely a day after that, they should go through with the merge and become ticker RIDE, RIDE. So that's going to produce at least some sort of catalyst, whether it be positive or negative, leaning more towards the positive side. Okay, second positive is going to be, it's somehow you miss this if you're completely off the face of the earth. Donald Trump actually toured the Lordstown Endurance electric pickup and was pretty impressed by what he saw. It was a big deal all over social media, a lot of exposure, a lot of people getting their first glimpse at the truck. So that should offer a good boost in interested folks. The third one's going to be what I see as a undervalue. An undervalue as far as the market cap only being 783 million when this company has 60,000 pre-ordered trucks already on the books, primarily from fleet vehicles. Also, this company just less than a month ago was trading at $31. That was a high. And if you didn't know, Lordstown actually owns the 3rd largest car manufacturing plant in the United States. So they got plenty of room for production, and once they get the trucks starting to pump out, it should go rather smoothly. And the one negative I want to highlight for this company is, as much as we know about this company, the truck has not been reviewed by a major car reviewer yet, such as Car and Driver. Not too many people have actually had their hands on this truck and have taken it through its paces. That worries me slightly, but as we get closer to years in, I'm sure we're going to get more hands-on footage and actual demo. And of course, last but not least, today I want to highlight my new favorite stock, one that I will be watching and owning for a good while, and that's going to be a Stable Road Acquisition Corp, which is another SPAC company that will be merging with Momentus. Momentus is a space play on last mile delivery. So think of it as the workhorse in space. So 3 highlights for this company. The first one's going to be they already have a scheduled flight with the biggest name in space exploration, which is going to be SpaceX. They have 4 scheduled flights with them. The first one coming in December. So that's a huge achievement for a company that's only been around for a few years. I believe they were started in 2017. Also, what you have with this stock is a pure play on the space industry, which right now you have very limited options, and a lot of them are very up in the air, such as SPCE, Virgin Galactic. Who knows what they're going to do. But I can tell you with this one, no matter who ends up winning the space race, you win. Because regardless, they're going to be on that ship. They're going to be moving the satellites in space. And they're going to be the company that people go to. One thing to highlight, also positive, is post-merger, once they're done, they're going to have $310 million cash in hand. And they do not foresee them needing to raise any additional capital until they achieve profitability. And you don't see that very often in companies to where they do their initial going public and then don't require any additional capital to achieve profitability. So it's a huge deal. One of the only negatives I see about this company is that honestly, they have very little downside, seeing how the stock price is currently at $10.61, and SPACs aren't going to go, for the most part, below about $9.50. Also, with that, it seems like they have little exposure, and compared to what you would think with a space play, they don't have a great amount of volume. It might be because not too many people know about this company yet, but once they get going, I feel like it's really going to take off. All right, so that's all I have for you today. I appreciate your time. If you do like anything you heard today, don't be afraid to hit subscribe and give this video a like. Also, I know in the next coming weeks, I should be starting a fund that I'm going to make public on the channel. Where it'll list what stocks are currently in the fund, and the performance of the stock. Each week will be updated on these videos. So feel free to follow me if you enjoy any of the content. Thank you.